Alrighty guys, of course they didn't fill us up, but we got half a tank. But we here in Oregon where you can't even pump your own gas. Oregon state law, no self-service. You'll be charged $500 just for pumping your gas, man. So I get to chill in the car, man, but we got the Raptor on the float boards. So let's get it going, dog. Alrighty guys, we are cruising, man. We just made it to California, just crossed the border. Man, this thing is, well, the state line rather. This thing is driving good. I'm loving it. And it's like super huge and spacious in here. I got the big panoramic roof and everything, dog. But I gotta focus and drive, man. It's raining and everything, man. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's more safe. Wow, it's freaking snowing and everything. That's crazy. Well, I'm glad I got a four-wheel drive because it's definitely snowing out here. That's crazy. Look at all the snow. We definitely got to pull over now and get some a snow picture or something, man. That's crazy, dog. Snowing like heck. Damn, look at that mountain, though. That's crazy. That big old mountain of snow. They got all different types of colored trucks and stuff. Yeah, let me get back to it. Oh man, y'all know we have to hop out in the snow real quick to see how we looking. Oh my God. Ooh, yes sir, this is what I'm talking about, man. We out here in the middle of nowhere right now, but in a Raptor. You feel me? Going up, I need to cut my light bar on. That's what I need to do, cut my light bar on. Hold up. Here we go. But yeah, man, we out here, dog. Alrighty, guys, we are still cruising. We out of the snow, but we're still in a bunch of rain. The Bridge Bay Road. We're about maybe 150 miles from Sacramento. Still a long way to go. But if we take a look to our left, nothing but ocean, or lake rather. We take a look to our right, nothing but lake, and we're going over the bridge, man. So hopefully the bridge don't collapse right now, because that would suck. But furthermore, it is running really smooth, really good and comfortable, man. I'm digging it. I just wish it wasn't raining so we can hit these curbs and get on about our day. But with the rain and everything, we just got to be cautious, especially in the new truck, man. So let's get through these hills and turns and stuff, and I'll catch you guys at the bottom. Guys, I've been on the road for so long, I had to pull over real quick, get this video that y'all seen yesterday uploaded. And you feel me, my computer wanna die as soon as I pull it out. But that's what we have a charger for, man. This is crazy, man. I can literally, you know, do a whole business meeting and everything out the truck, man. This is my office, man. This is crazy, dog. I got a good bit of ways in. I'm on half tank. It's like 600 miles with a full tank on this car, which I love. Trying to pretty much force myself to eat because I've been so excited. So I don't know, we'll see, man. But we got got a bed and a little M3 with the numbers on it. Looked like they was racing. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to our first stop. Well, pretty much not our first stop, but the halfway mark to the house, man. We still got about 4 hours to go, but this thing is rolling, and it's rolling good. I'm loving it, dog. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments below. Crazy, I'm coming out the gas station. That's pretty much how we would have been looking, but this is how we rolling, man. What y'all think, dog? Man, this thing got dirty, all that rain and everything. I guess now I can see all the little scratches and scrapes, if any, huh? And look, that snow is jacking my car up, dog. But it does get clean, so we are gonna have to clean it up real nice. So let's see. Just now getting out here, man, and we still not home. We still probably got about 20 minutes till we get to the house, but we are here, man. That was a cool little ride, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the content for today. Be sure to tune in tomorrow. We are going up, man. We got a bunch of content to film with this thing, man. So be sure to give me some ideas. Drop the comments and stuff in the below, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for watching today, man. Good looking out. With that being said, man, I'm about to go to the house and get my snooze on. I've been on the road for like 10 plus hours, man. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. whoa, I didn't even want to come outside because, man, it just felt like a dream. But with this thing purging in the background, man, it is not a dream, man. We have to get this thing all cleaned up, man. So I had to show you what it looked like when I first walked up to it this morning. Look, check it out. Next day here, man, this thing is freaking dirty, dog. Dirty as heck. Look at all the ice markings and everything. We was going through snowstorm, windstorm, rainstorm, everything. We gotta go clean that thing up, get it all spiffed and shine, man. Doesn't even feel real. Like, I woke up this morning not even want to come outside because it just felt like a dream the whole entire time. But this thing is beast. Super dirty right now. You guys know me in black is like, oh my god, this thing is gonna be dirty all the time. But we're gonna get this thing cleaned up and washed and looking real clean and smooth, man. Let's see what the inside of this joint looking like, because we had some sunflower seeds yesterday, but I was trying my best to not get them everywhere. So we'll go vacuum this thing out, get it all cleaned up, and let my daughter see it for the first time, man. Probably go up to the mountains or something. So let's hop in this joint and get our day started. But first, we got to get some gas because we are literally on E, man. That was a long drive yesterday. Real long drive, man. So let's gas up first and we'll get there. But we didn't do too much damage with the sunflower seeds. Usually they would have been everywhere, but I was trying my hardest yesterday. So still got a little vacuuming to do though. But dang, this thing is fly, dog. Look at this roof. I didn't show y'all this yesterday, but oh my god, look at the seats and the stitching and everything. This thing is clean. Nice little Alcantara. I'm digging it, man. You see the carbon fiber little weave on there or whatever. Nice little trim package. Man, I just gotta see this view, man. That roof is everything. Oh my god. Make everything in here so clear and visible. I love it. See, like when it's raining, it's even better because now you got some shade. You can see outside and everything. It'd be cool. But I'm digging it, man. I love it, dog. And the hat matches the seats, man. That's a plus, dog. Who would have known? Who would have known, dog? That we in that joint going up. Alrighty, so we just pulled up to the car wash, man. I don't want to hear no slack about, man, you're gonna wash your truck and that. I'm not gonna freaking, damage the truck, bro. It's a truck. Like, it is what it is. It's supposed to go mudding and everything, so this little brush is the least of my concerns. But it is time to get this thing slip and slide. Clyde, boy. Fly. Gotta turn off my lights, man. Them things, I like how they on in the daytime, but we're gonna get it right. Let's see. Bet. Good. Well, I just locked my keys in the car, man. pushing this fucking button right here. That's crazy. Lock my keys in the car, man. So now I gotta call my girl and hopefully that key open this thing up, dog.
20 minutes later.
Man, we finally got it open, dog. Shout out to my dog, Billy, over there at Lithia Honda, man. He came through and gave me the code for the car. I would have went home looking for the spare key, and that thing is right there. So I'd have been totally assed out. But we got the key now, and I'm not leaving that thing in the car no more unless I have my code. But without further ado, man, this thing is dried off. I haven't even cleaned it up and shined it up yet, man, because everything's been locked in the car. But I'm gonna just shine it up, pull it into the sun, shine it up real quick, and we'll get it together, man. So let's get it. Golly, dog, this thing is looking amazingly fire. Oh my God. And I'm digging it. What do y'all think about the Raptor, man? Let me know. Comments below, big dog. That thing is fucking wet. Oh my God. It's the only thing about black, you can clean this thing and wipe it a million times, it just still be dirty. Like, I need a crazy wrap on this though. Crazy wrap, man. What y'all think on the wrap scheme? Let me know in the comments below. We have made it back to the house. We got the baby over there, we got the car seat in here. Gotta strap it up and pretty much get her in here, man. She hasn't been in here, haven't seen it yet, so let's have some fun. Mama, we sliding? Sure. Yeah, we sliding? Sure. Yeah, slide. She like, I just woke up, man, bear with me. Say you sliding? Sure. Okay, bet, we sliding. We in a Raptor? Look, let's see how she do when the top go back. Look, mama. Mama, look. You like that? You want to go back more? Look.
Really, nigga?
You like it? She like, man, I ain't worried about that, dog. But yeah, man, this is actually what I really wanted to do. Ride around my daughter in here comfortably. And just, you feel me, go on an adventure, man. It's simple, easier said than done, you know? But it is what it is, man. But now that we got this truck all cleaned up, man, I gotta show you guys some of these features, man. So I'm gonna head out to the desert and get some nice interior shots for you.
Eventually.
Bruh, I'm out here in traffic. I just happened to look behind. We got a whole Raptor behind us. Ooh, that shit hard. Oh shit. Look at that. Oh, we got a Raptor behind us, yeah. That motherfucker is hard. Get that thing back there. Good. Let's see. Ooh, got that joint out. Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys, man. Late night here, man. I had to show you guys, man, what this thing looked like in the night. Didn't really get a chance to go show it earlier. Just them keys kind of threw my timing off. Then I got back to the house and was just tired, man, from all that driving. But just look at this thing, dog. This thing looks so gorgeous. Got the lights and everything on this bad boy. And I didn't even, I'm gonna just do the features and stuff in the next video, man. I don't want to hold you guys up, but I'm still learning the truck and everything, so bear with me. Pretty good looking truck. I'm loving it, man. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments below. This thing looks just so beast, man. Oh my Lord. Alright, y'all, we just taking a ride down the strip real quick, man. Just checking out the lights, you know, under this panoramic roof or whatever. You know, the people in the back usually get the best view but it's all good. If you guys haven't already, go to everythingsregular.com. Go get you some merch, man. Go support your boy. Man, and when I say this thing look crazy under the lights, oh my God. This thing look crazy under them lights, boy. Man, I love this joint. I know I ain't took y'all on the inside of this joint yet, but man, that's gonna be a whole nother video in itself. Like, I can't even hold y'all. I'm just so infatuated with the outside right now still, man. This thing is a fucking beast. Like, sheesh. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Ooh, wait. I'm digging it. What y'all think, dog? Let your boy know in the comments below, man.